hack squat, when I say that, there's about 3 different machines that's a hack squat. This is one of them. Here's how you're gonna do it. For legs and squats, I typically don't like this machine because I'd rather do a barbell. But let me just say hack squats in your plan. Here's what you're gonna do. A few different things. Okay. You go wider if you want to hit inner thighs more, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna say close stance, wide stance, sumo stance, narrow stance. I'm gonna tell you what to do in your workout. Here's the hack squat, sumo stance. So you don't wanna go all the way up here. You don't wanna be back because then your knees are gonna go way over your toes. So kind of in the middle of the platform, toes slightly open so it opens your femur. You're gonna go down, butt back into the pad, and coming up. Just kind of bottom the machine out. Keeping your lumbar pushed out. Don't cave in here. So, close stance, gonna work your outer a little more. Move it up towards the top of the platform. Same thing. Keep your boobs up and your butt out. Going down. Push through your heel. And then a normal squat stance. This will kind of work everything. You can only get parallel here. So now, keep it rolling. This is if I tell you to do reverse. That's it. You want to make sure you keep butt out, butt out, butt out, boobs high, butt out, boobs high.